Hi, I'm Chitra Sai Kumar from HyBiz Tv. Today we are with Karuna Koganti, and she's a well-known fashion designer at Hyderabad. She designs bridal wear and for all the occasions of life. So can you talk about your designs before we going in?
I'm designing for all the brides over here. It's been working ages now. I mean, I started working 2005 maybe. From then it's all about designing for all the occasions of life, the celebrations, and bridal is my forte. I do more bridals. This is like Indo-Western gown, what we call. This is a traditional fabric, but a westernized cut. This is kanchi fabric, and this is like a sheer material net. On that we did this sequin work together, which gives like a fusion look.
Okay.
So it's modern but lightweight for the simple occasions. See, this is a gown. These gowns are like a little bit of fusion Indo-Western looks, which we designed for the Sangeet ceremonies or receptions and all that. So this is on a more of a fusion line. This is a crop top, and the skirt. These all are like crop top collection, which you can team with other shirts and crop tops or anything. These are like individual pieces. You can style your own, you can add your own styling to it. So we design all this Western complete corsets and all we do. And then this is all again a fusion line, which is like for the Sangeet ceremony and for the dance and the fun time.
Okay.
So all these are for that. These are the lightweight fusion crop top skirts, and again we have bridal. Sangeet, reception, bridal. We have many occasions for the bride to celebrate. So all these are for those. And then this is one more. This is light peach tones. These days, like lighter shades are more in. So this looks very lightweight at the same time. Grand look for the Sangeet and all.
So
they look good. This is all net, and this is all embossed embellishment we have. So we do it on another fabric and then again applique to the main fabric. It's a process actually. So this is something a new work style. So yeah, these all are cocktail sarees we have. This is a blouse, which is like, this is all 3D effect. This is like this. This is westernized embroidery styling, which we usually people use it in the gowns and all, western gowns and all, but we are introducing it to the cocktail blouses. They look really elegant, and this is the saree for it. This is for the evening cocktail parties or lightweight sarees. This is chiffons actually. Okay. Self textured chiffons, and this is also raw silk. On that we have this pearl and all different kind of beads embroideries. These all styles like for the cocktail blouses we do. We do design like casuals for the simple meetings and office wear casuals we do design. Yeah, these all are different ranges we have, depending on the design and all. But don't worry, not so expensive. So, see the gowns. These all are for the pre-wedding shoots, or for again simple pre-wedding shoots, or small gatherings and dinners, anything you can carry it. They looks really pretty awesome. And these all are like traditional, these all are little bit of traditional gowns. So these all are fusion styling. These all are 6,000, 5,000 range, very affordable. So this is all like, these all are designer sarees, Georgette sarees, all type of fabrics we have, organzas, name it, we have all of them. So little fusion again, so floral fusion, we have all of that. And these are we have Banaras collection. These are Banaras sarees. We have a lot of collection in Banaras, Kanchipuram, and we design the blouses according to the requirement, client's requirement. See, this is Kanchipuram saree with a lovely blouse. Yeah. Usually for the bridal blouses we take 15 days, and for the lehengas definitely they take a little more time, so we take 1 month for it. Yeah, bridal blouses it is. So these are half sarees, like patulanga, what we call half saree designs with a little bit of trendy. So they can choose any kind of like whatever they want to wear, like sleeveless everybody don't prefer, so we do according to the client requirement, whatever style they want, we do the blouses. This is the bridal style what we design. It has all the cut work and layering. This is
And which material is this?
this is raw silk.
Okay.
Yeah, this is all raw silk. This is net. So for the brides, it's a Banaras sari and completely a different blouse for it. These all are statement pieces, like something very different from regularly what we wear. So you can plan according to your personality, choice. We designed for it. And these all are well crafted, embroidered dresses we have here. Something like this, hand painted dupattas and hand worked dresses. This is like appliques, kalamkari appliques we do. So like this, these are dresses. Okay. So this is a collection for all the occasions almost. We do Indian, Western, fusion, only blouses for the bride we design. And we have Kanchipuram and Banaras sarees. We work with the weavers and we get it done whatever that colors and designs are required for the new generation, with the new look and new requirements. So we work with the weavers directly and we get what we want from there. These all are the sarees range we have. Yeah, these are all are Banaras weaves. All the color combinations and everything given by us, and we get what we want, the designs from the. This is the Kalyanam sari in Kanchipattu. This is pure tissue. We have all different shades, and so price range, it's all different prices we have. Bridal, we have light from the 10,000 price range to 1.5 lakh. Till there we have. It's all different price ranges we have in between. So I mean different requirements will be there in the wedding, for the bride, for the sisters, for the whole family it is. So depending on their requirement, we offer the sarees. So blouses, different kind of designs, embroideries. So these all are ready. Sometimes immediate requirements unnappudu they can choose from these blouses. They are ready, so or they can get it done whichever color, whichever design they want for their sari. Yeah, we have the whole team. We do it from the scratch to what we want. It's a beautiful process. A lot of steps, lot of the team is involved in it. But when the imagination comes alive, that's like magical. This is bridal blouse with a Kanjivaram Pattu sari for the Kalyanam from Kalyanam collection. So we exclusively designed this. It's an intricate embroidery, and this is cut work at the edges, silhouettes. See, this is cut work. This is the back portion of it, and we design even the tassels in house. And this is a beautiful belt for the sari to hold and give that elegant and the tailored look. So this is the bridal blouse with Kanchipuram sari, and this is the collection from Banaras weave sari. This is teamed with the cutwork embroidery blouse, which is edgings are all, and these are the tassels made according to the blouse design. So these weaves, these beautiful saris, we get it weaved directly from the weavers. And see, this is the Kalyanam sari. So we have many designs in this line. We customize according to the bride's requirement, and we do design the half saris. These all are Kanchi half saris. We have Banaras half lehenga, half sari, and fusion wear lehengas. We do everything customized, and we have ready from where you can choose your style. And these all are the other designs, designer blouses. You can team them with saris, contrast or self-colored, whichever look you're looking for. This is an embossed Zardozi embroidery, which is very intricate, and we have all these uncuts in it. A little bit of mirror work is there, a little bit of sequin work. It's a kind of fusion. This is a very modern, yet that royal looking blouse, which you can team with sari or half sari, whichever you want. So we design bridal lehengas with the different materials, different concepts, different silhouettes, different embroideries, different colors. I mean, if you have something in your mind and you want to get it according to your choice, we design for you. We have few collections from our side. They're ready. You can pick them up if you want any changes in color changes, or any maybe the blouse style changes or anything, that also we do it. So we design for the receptions, reception lehengas, exclusive fusion lehengas for the mehendi ceremony, sangeet ceremony, and pre-wedding shoots. We do gowns, and reception gowns we do. So overall, all the bride requirements we do the designing. So and this is all different fabrics we use. This is again edging cut work it is there, and this is all different kind of hand embroidery with the thread and all the beads and zardozi embellishment is there. A little bit of pearls are there in it. So we do for the bridal, when we do it, we do with the semi-precious stones and different techniques of embellishments to give that different look, unique look. So every bride is unique, and every that's the moment for the bride. So we want to give that experience which remains ever in their life. They can cherish that moment. So we love to be a part of their celebrations. So this is a big, a good process. This is all a lengthy process to create something, but exciting, because something there in mind, and when it comes out, for the client as well as for us, it's it should be the same. Whatever you are imagining, it should be the same. It should come out same. And that moment, that wow moment, is like we all enjoy. So there is from the idea, from the sketching part, to sourcing the right fabric, right color. We colored it, we whatever the process is, like printing, embroideries, or stitching, cutting, fitting. So it's a magical, it's all emotional journey, because marriage is such a wonderful thing, and we all are emotionally a part of the journey. So that's magical to create something and see happiness, and to meet what they expected is wonderful. We cherish. We work for Kanjivaram, Benares, all these silks. We work with the weaver and design and experiment new kind of color combinations and motifs and texturing and everything to give something new, fresh looks. And these weaves are like heritage. They are forever. And for those, we know that wedding sari is so precious. We keep it safe, and we try to forward it to the next generations. So that quality and that something uniqueness is very important in it. So we try to give our best.